In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new property to an individual profile so you can segment smarter, personalize messages, and keep your data clean. First, sign into your Klaviyo account and land on the dashboard. From here, head to the main navigation and open the audience area. This is where all of your contacts live and where you'll manage profile level information. Next, go into Profiles. You'll see a list of people in your account. Use the search bar to find the profile you want to update. You can search by email, name, and or another known identifier. For testing, it's a good idea to pick a profile you control so you can verify the result later without affecting your live audience. Open the profile you want to edit. On the profile page, scroll until you find the section labeled Custom Properties. This section stores any unique data points you create, things like VIP status, preferred category, or loyalty tier, and they become available for segmentation, flow logic, and template personalization. Click Add Custom Property. A small form will appear. In the property name field, enter a clear, consistent name. Use a simple naming convention that's easy to recognize later, short, descriptive, and ideally in lowercase with underscores instead of spaces. Avoid special characters and don't reuse names that might clash with Klaviyo's default fields. Consistency here prevents confusion when building segments and filters. In the value field, type the value you want to store. This can be text, a number, a true/false value, or a date, depending on how you plan to use it. Most importantly, keep the format consistent across profiles. For example, if you're setting VIP status, decide whether the value will be true/false or a label like gold or silver, and stick with that choice. Consistent data types make segmentation and conditions work reliably. When you're ready, click Add Profile Property to save. You should now see your new property listed within the Custom Properties section on that profile. If you made a typo or want to adjust it later, you can edit or remove it on the same page. A quick tip for scaling this beyond a single profile. Once you confirm the property name and format you want, you can populate it for many users via a CSV import, an integration, or your usual data sync. That way, the same property powers segments, flows, and dynamic content across your entire audience. That's it. You've added a custom property in Klaviyo, set up clean naming, and stored a consistent value, making it easier to personalize and target your messaging.